Hello, welcome to our channel where we'll be testing frontier large language models. In this video, we'll be testing GPT-5, Gemini Pro 2.5, and Grok 4 on their ability to generate the Tetris game. The first video is showing GPT-5. This was actually the best performance that was achieved. Graphics look sharp. The scoring is working properly. The levels are progressing. After about 5 minutes of playing, we did not notice any errors. Next, we have Gemini Pro. I would say the interface is not as professional, but the main thing is if the gameplay is proper. And at first, it seemed like it was performing very well. But about 3 minutes into the game, it just is game over. We tried running the simulation again and got it to fail the second time, at which point we went to Grok 4. So this is what Grok 4 looks like. And there's this fatal flaw. If you don't hit the space bar, the piece is basically floating until you hit the space bar. That's definitely an error. These models should know from the internet what the interface looks like and kind of what the gameplay is. Our prompt is to Gemini to create the design specifications for the game Tetris, including the gameplay and the GUI requirements. And Gemini generates this, and this allows our prompt to be much richer. Next, we want to describe the development environment. I mentioned that we're using PyCharm Community Edition, that it should be in Python, and that we prefer that the library Pygame is utilized, and also for how we'll be starting up the script. So after specifying this, we take the game design requirements and we just paste it. So from the previous Gemini prompt that describes the game of Tetris, all of that is just copied. So after hitting the play button, now Gemini is tasked to create this Python file using the library Pygame, and we should be able just to take this Python, copy it, put it into our PyCharm Community Edition, and hit play, and it should work. This is how I'm seeing the PyCharm Community Edition. I create a new file, call it Tetris Gemini. This project is public on GitHub, so all of the code that I generate, all of the prompts that I utilize, everything is there. So this is what the demo looks like. There is an error in that the yellow block is hanging. So now the same prompt that was used with Gemini Pro is used with GPT-5. GPT-5 thinks about the problem. This is all sped up. It generates the Python file. We copy the Python file into our PyCharm Community Edition. We hit the play button. This is the demo that we see for GPT-5 version of Tetris based on the exact same prompt that was given to Gemini. Now in this demo, we will also see an issue related to how the blocks are moved. See, I'm trying to move this purple block underneath the green, and it won't let me. I'm trying to do the same thing with this. Now I'm hitting left, 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 and it won't move, so that's an error. Previous version of Tetris that GPT-5 created is better. So that was created using a different prompt. Both of these prompts are on GitHub. So now using the second prompt for which we saw Gemini perform, GPT-5 perform, now it is being input into Grok. Grok is now generating the Python file. So now we take this code, we put it into our project, we hit the play button. This is what the demo looks like. After a while, the demo crashes after about maybe 10 seconds. So it's not viable, from zero shot. Now I'm just showing our project on GitHub. the prompt that we saw during the demo. I copied and pasted it exactly how it was. And I will have folders that correspond to different games. So we saw the game Tetris. I'm also thinking of the game Snake. Inside of this folder will be the exact prompts that I use, and I'll also identify which of the frontier models have generated the best results. We saw GPT-5 did a good version of Tetris. If there is a game that you guys would like to see, let me know in the comments and I will make it happen. Thank you for watching.